The idea of a Shoofly is really a detour bridge and a route around the work we're going to be performing. Shoofly is just more or less a generic term for a detour, or a detour bridge in this case. During the first phase, we'll be constructing the temporary supports for the existing truss to skid onto. And once these temporary supports are in place, then we'll move onto the east side and construct the temporary east approach spans that'll lead onto the existing trusses. These temporary spans will be connected back into the existing east side approaches. Once that work is complete, we will slide the existing truss spans during a long weekend closure over on top of the temporary supports that we built previously. Once the existing truss is slid over and all the connections are complete, we'll put traffic onto the detour bridge, or the Shoofly. Once traffic's on the Shoofly, then in summer of 2012, we'll come in and construct the temporary work bridges, one from the east bank and one from the west bank. The temporary work bridges will provide us access to the new piers. And so then once those new piers are constructed, as you see here, then we'll start constructing of the new east approach spans and also the west approach spans. Once that east approach is constructed, we'll come in and start constructing the structural steel elements. The structural steel elements, some will be built in place, be brought in pieces and put together, and then the main span will actually be floated in and jacked into place on utilizing barges. Once the structural steel's in place, we will be constructing the superstructure, which consists of the concrete deck, railings, and sidewalks. And then after the traffic will then be switched onto the new Selwood Bridge, consisting of all of the new west spans, the main river spans, and then the south half of the east approach spans. Once traffic's in that configuration, we will complete the east approach spans by building the north half of the bridge after we remove the existing remaining portions of the east approach spans. Once the traffic is in their final configuration on the new alignment, we will come in and remove out the temporary Shoofly bridge. And once that work is complete, then we'll be wrapping up the project.